All right, this was number 2 on the quiz. Find the sine of the inverse cosine of x squared over 4 minus x squared. So I copied this from somebody's. It said, because I told you guys to kind of explain a little bit. So really, this is what I wanted. I wanted you to explain, and I wanted you to show me the math. So some students did, a combination of that. But you had text box available, and you had a math text box available. And you should be at a point that you can work between the two. So some of you use the math text box to write all of your stuff, which just doesn't make sense to me. Like there's 2 buttons. You guys can figure it out, okay? So the regular text box, I drew a triangle in the first quadrant because that is where cosine is positive and where the inverse is allowed because of the domain. Great. Then you set up the Pythagorean theorem. You showed me how that would work. Then you gave me the thing. So you didn't show me all the work, but because of the technology, that was kind of okay. Like I get that. And then you showed me what the sine is equal to. So that was a great answer. Here's the triangle that you really couldn't show me, but this is how you would do the problem. Some of you guys, by some, I mean like very few people, like 3, use something that we had never done in class to do this problem. And I don't understand why you would do that. I want you to do what I've shown you how to do. So anyway, I draw my triangle. I have a cosine equal to x squared over 4 minus x squared. That's my angle. Okay, this person said x, that's fine. Really, it's u, sine of u or whatever. And then use Pythagorean theorem. So I have my Pythagorean theorem work shown down here, and then I also showed how a couple people broke down the square root. So you can take a look at that if you want. But that's how you can do that problem, number 2.